Hi everyone, warm welcome. I am Garima. Together with my colleagues, we presenting before you our POC on artificial intelligence for healthy diet. This is how our app will look like to an end user. A user when logged into our app will simply have to click a picture of the food item. In turn, our app will give details about the calories, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates present in the food. As simple as that. Let's quickly look at the approach and the design details. Once the user clicks the food item, we will have contours. Through these contours which we are obtaining, we will be recognizing the food items present in the plate. Once the food is recognized correctly, we will be determining the area and calculating the volume for it. And then these details will be sent to an API, where the API will give us the details about the nutrition, the calories, fats, proteins present in the food, and then we will be displaying the results. In order to explain you a bit more, we will be creating a custom data set, and then we have annotated the images using IMGbox tool. We then built up a model. We then trained the model using Mask RCNN algorithm. Now, what is this Mask RCNN does? It simply creates a mask around your food. And once you have a mask, you can simply create or take out the surface area present in the food item of your plate. Once we have the mask surface area, we can move on to calculate the volume of the food. And this volume in turn will be helpful in determining the weight of the food. Once we have the weight, we will be sending it to API and then calculating the nutritional values, and then this can be displayed to the end user.
Here you can see in the image, there are 4 samosas placed in a plate, and each samosa has been well masked, which is an important task in our project. So since each calculations are based on the masking area and the thumb reference. Here you can also see thumb has been recognized very well. And here let us see the model predictions. Here our model is predicting the weight for each samosas here and the nutritional values based on the weight of each samosas. Now let us take a look at the most common food item that we use in our daily basis, which is rice. Give me a moment. So here you can see the image. There is a regular size plate and the rice has been placed on a regular size plate. And let us see the model predictions. The weight of the rice has been predicted as 249 grams, which is that we can analyze it from the image as well. And the nutritional values are based on the 250 grams of rice as well. So now let us take a look at the most common appetizer, the French fries and the cheeseburger as well. And first let me show you the French fries here. So in the image you can see there is a French fries pouch. So now let us see our model predictions on the here our model is predicting 116 grams of French fries in that pouch. So the nutritional values are based on the 116 grams of French fries. Lastly, I would like to show you the cheeseburger. Here you can see there is a cheeseburger with a single patty and a cheese in it. So let us see how much the weight of the cheeseburger has been predicted by our model. So here our model is predicting 298 grams of cheeseburger. When we are exploring on how much the average weight of the cheeseburger in a Google, then it was showing around 300 grams. So our model predictions are almost accurate here, and the nutritional values are based on the 298 grams of cheeseburger.
Thanks, Madhuri, for sharing us with the learnings and challenges. Now, I will be quickly taking you through our app, which is a beta version, and based on the user feedback, we will be creating a beta version 2 on it. So for a new user, there are two options available on the screen. First is the open camera, where he can click a fresh picture of the food item he or she is eating. There is another option, he can choose any picture from his gallery and he can view the nutritional value present in it. So let me quickly go and open any image present in my gallery and click on evaluate. So on a single click of evaluate, the details are fetched from the backend from an API, and nutritional value present in this image are displayed on the screen. So our API determines that it's a cheeseburger, and carbohydrates, fats, proteins and calories are also determined from the image. Let's see few more images. This time I'm choosing an apple. Well, these are the nutritional values present in an apple. Let's quickly scroll through few other images. How about we choose a rice which we daily eat? Well, this also displays the carbohydrates, fats, proteins and calories present in rice. And lastly, I'll show you a pizza slice. So this is how you can track your daily nutritional content which you are consuming. Thank you.